Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to learn how to delete empty cells in a table in Excel. This is a great way to clean up your data and make your tables more presentable. Let's get started. First, open your Excel file that contains the table you want to clean up. Make sure the table is properly formatted and that you can see the empty cells or lines that you want to delete. Next, select the table or the range of cells that you want to work with. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the cells or by using the keyboard shortcut. With your range selected, go to Home tab in the Excel ribbon at the top of the screen. Now, click on the Find and Select tool in the editing group and choose Go to Special. In the Go to Special dialog box, select Blanks and click OK. As you can see, this will highlight all the empty cells or lines in your selected range. With the empty cells highlighted, go back to the Home tab and click on the Delete drop-down arrow in the cell group and choose Delete Cells. In the Delete dialog box, you have the option to shift cells up or the left. Choose the option that best suits your table structure. For this example, we will shift cells up and click OK. Finally, verify that your table looks correct and that all the empty cells have been removed. Make any necessary adjustments. And there you have it. Your table is now clean and free of empty cells. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.